And which were the most important results of the report?
Well, one important result from the report is the conceptual understanding of welfare crime, and the understanding of welfare crime as an umbrella term or collective concept that in fact contains several crimes. Because in the discourse today, welfare crime is not a legal crime or a legal term per se, but actually consists of several crimes. And I find it very important for the municipalities to identify these crimes in order to work against welfare crime as a larger concept. Another important finding from the report is the concrete working methods. So how work against welfare crime is organized today, that municipalities themselves have shared and that other municipalities can be inspired by and work with in the future. Another important result from the report is the tensions that have occurred in this work that become clear in the discussion with those who are working with welfare crime in the municipalities, but also the authorities collaborating with the municipalities in these questions. And these tensions are, for example, the use of welfare crime as a collective concept or an umbrella term. It is also the organizational placement of the work. So in other words, the more central functions and the local functions, and also attention in the conflict between trust and control, but also how the municipalities are perceived in these questions, which is not so easy. And I find that these tensions are very important for the municipalities to work with and be aware of. And I hope that the report can inspire that. And I also offer in the report concrete advice on how these tensions can be, how the municipalities can work with these tensions.